Hello everyone, today we are going to see about the dimensions of product's quality. The important characteristics of a product are specified when it is designed prior to its manufacture. These characteristics are called as design specifications. After the product has been produced, one can observe the extent to which it conforms to or deviates from the design specification. The quality or product quality is the degree to which the design specifications for a product are appropriate to its functional and use, and the degree to which the product conforms to its design specifications. Service quality is similarly defined, and one often generalizes and uses the term output quality to apply to either products or services. When output closely conforms to design specification, output quality is high. When output deviates in an important way from design specification, then we can define the quality is low. Output quality can be seen to fall on a continuum ranging from very low to very high. When the quality is very low, the output deviates importantly from design specification. When the output conforms closely to design specification, that is very high quality. Next we are going to see about the product characteristics, design, process capability. The first key to managing for quality is being aware of the need to improve. The second is selecting improvement techniques. By understanding the product characteristics, the product design and process capability helps in awareness of quality issues in operations. First, the product characteristics. All characteristics of the product are not equally important to the customers. Usually, only some characteristics need to be considered when assessing quality. But which ones? Weight, size, shape, color, functional performance? The important product characteristics are determined by the specific market goals of the organization and by the technical requirements of the important stages of conversion process. Often, one must compromise between these two sources of quality requirements. Design. Design of two firms producing the same product, one may have to pay high cost and maintain an acceptable quality, while its competitor can maintain the same quality at much lower cost. The difference is often a result of emphasis placed on quality in the design phases of product development prior to full-scale production. Process capability. Process capability is the ability of a conversion process to produce a product that conforms to design specifications. Since the performance of machines and people used in the conversion process varies from day to day, the process capability is described by a range of variation from the design specification. That is, the variation expected under normal working conditions. A statement about process capability is thus a statement about product uniformity instead of various parameters of the process. The dimensions of product quality are performance, features, reliability, conformance, durability, serviceability, aesthetics, perception. Performance is often a source of contention between customers and suppliers, particularly when deliverables are not defined within the specifications. Many contracts or specifications include damages related to inadequate performance. Features. This dimension may seem obvious. Performance specifications rarely define the features required in a product. It is important that suppliers designing product or services from the performance specifications are familiar with intended uses. Reliability may be closely related to performance. For instance, a product specification may define parameters for uptime or acceptable failure rates. Reliability is a major contributor to brand or company image or is considered a fundamental dimension of quality by most end users. Conformance answers several questions like, if a product development is based on a performance specification, does it perform as specified? If its development is based on its design specification, does it possess all the features defined? So these are questions are like, product development is based on performance specification. It answers all the questions related to conformance. Durability. Durability is closely related to warranty. Requirements for product durability are often included within contracts and specifications. Serviceability, as end users become more focused on total cost of ownership than simple cost or serviceability. Aesthetics, the way of product looks, is important to end users. The aesthetic properties of a product contribute to a company's or a brand identity. Fault or defect in a product that diminish the properties, and it often causes for rejection. Perception is reality. The product or service may possess adequate or even superior dimensions of quality, but still a victim to negative customer or public perception. For example, a high quality product may get the reputation for being low quality based on poor service by installation or field technicians. If the product is not installed or maintained properly and fails as a result, the failure is often associated with the product's quality rather than the quality of the service it receives.